And now the Supreme Court sitting in Abuja has ordered the counsel of Kenneth Udeze to return to court after a proper brief has been laid down on this case brought to the court. The 5-member panel of the Supreme Court, led by Justice John Okoro, asked that a brief detailing the issues regarding the case be made available before it proceeds. Meanwhile, counsel to Dr. Adekunle Rufai Omaje, who spoke to our correspondent after the court proceedings, says the ruling given by the sitting justice is in line with his expectations.
Federal High Court, Abeokuta, it is not about governorship candidate of Action Alliance at all. And what the court simply does is that, what is the main kernel of this appeal? And the lawyer to Kenneth Fashion was unable to answer the court about what is the purpose of this appeal. That was why the court said, fine, if you cannot agree that it is about right of appearance of counsel, whatever you have in your appeal, go and file your brief. When you file your brief, then we'll deal with the appeal. That is the main purpose of this appeal, which I explained to the court that the main purpose of this appeal is about who should represent Action Alliance, whether lawyer briefed by Adekunle Rufai Omaje or the one briefed by Kenneth Udeze. The Federal High Court, Abeokuta, the Court of Appeal, Abuja, affirmed that it is only Adekunle Rufai Omaje that has the right to brief any lawyer to represent Action Alliance, since Kenneth Udeze has been expelled from the party.
Also, the Action Alliance Party chairman, Dr. Adekunle Rufai Omaje, expressed optimism that his case will get a positive verdict.
The Court of Appeal categorically said that Kenneth Udeze is not an evil floor member of Action Alliance. And all these judgments have been transmitted to the INEC. But part of the agenda of INEC not to let this 2023 election hold, or if it hold, that it will be nullified. That is the reason till now Professor Mabudu Yakubu, the chairman of Independent National Electoral Commission, refuses to honor any of the court judgment.
Now, to be recalled that the party's national committee, which is the highest ruling organ of the party, had since 2019 suspended and subsequently expelled Kenneth Udeze from the party. Similarly, an Abuja Court of Appeal, in a judgment dated 11th November 2022, affirmed the expulsion and suspension of Barrister Kenneth Udeze from the Action Alliance party.